Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your cloud backup with Backblaze step by step clearly. To get started with Backblaze, visit the Backblaze website and click on the download button. Once the download is complete, locate the file and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up the Backblaze application on your computer. After installation, launch the Backblaze application. You will see a welcome screen. Click on the Sign Up button if you're a new user. If you already have an account, enter your email and password to log in. Once logged in, Backblaze will automatically begin scanning for files to backup. Review the files it has selected for backup. You can customize this selection if desired. To do this, click on the Preferences option in the menu. In the Preferences window, you can exclude specific file types or folders. After adjusting your settings, return to the main screen. Now, initiate the backup process by clicking on the Backup Now button. Backblaze will start uploading your files to the cloud. You can monitor the progress in real time through the application dashboard. Once the initial backup is complete, regular backups will happen automatically. To check your backup status, reopen the Backblaze application anytime. You can access files via any web browser by logging into your Backblaze account online. For added security, enable two-factor authentication on your Backblaze account. To do this, navigate to the account settings in your profile. Follow the prompts to verify your phone and complete the authentication setup. Now your cloud backup is safeguarded against unauthorized access. Periodically review your backup settings to ensure all important files are included. If you change your system or add new important documents, recheck the backup settings. Regularly monitor your backup status for any errors or issues. With Backblaze, your data is securely backed up in the cloud and easily recoverable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.